Yo, wow. Is up. So I'm going to be bearish for this week just because price has expanded way too long, right? Now it has to give some sort of pullback, and there is a lot of resting liquidity below, right? I'm just gonna remove everything so I can just mark out the new stuff, right? Look at that. That is an all-time high. But when we see this, we can take this as a liquidity sweep price is struggling to move up, right? Somewhat it is struggling to move up, but for sure I can expect a weekly low, maybe this one. So these are my liquidity zones for a higher time frame. When we go to daily, daily low, daily low, daily low. So I got three zones marked out. So we have everything marked, right? Now we can go to 4 hours time frame. And I want this to go. Yeah, I mean. Okay. Now we have our liquidity zones. This is a strong liquidity. There is another strong liquidity. Let's mark out one. Let's mark this one sharp. Yeah, two new lines. I just got zoned out. Anyways, fair value gap marked out. Everything's marked out, and I see this is a 4 hour fair value gap inverse. I can expect the price to go up, sweep this high, maybe. So this is for however. Okay. So now 1 hour, 1 hour doesn't have anything. So, perfect. This is really unpredictable right now. I can either pick one side, go down or go up. But to be honest, I don't feel anything right now. But I'd be expecting a lot to sell. So selling is the one thing that I really want actually to do to happen, you know. Does it as a gap? Just a bearish candle. I don't know what's that. Without a big, probably that's a market open gap. That it's not a big one, but still, it is somewhat good. So what we can expect? Well, either sweep that can be a liquidity too. So we got two liquidity zones up there. Probably tomorrow morning. All I wanted to see is price sweeping either of these highs. So if it sweep that, come back down, market open. But one thing for sure, this is going to be my modeling, and I'm going to follow this. So once we don't have it here, but still, this is a valid setup because price sweeps London high, which is the all-time high. So it sweeps inverse to fair value gap, all signs of reversals. And what else we need for what else we need, right? So also price holding this 15 minutes fair value gap. It's moving really fast. So what from a technical point of view, a high has been rated, creates a fair value gap, holding it, creates another fair value gap on a 15-minute time frame. Now it is being inversed, right? We cannot trust that. There are too many candles inside that inverse, and I want to see a displacement. So maybe if price goes up, so this is an inverse again. Once we can enter up here, target slow, maybe that can be one possible, uh, one possible trade that we can take. So like, let's see, this is a break of structure, maybe a change in state of delivery. Change in state of delivery is up here on a 15-minute time frame, say 5 minutes time frame, and price has a fair value gap, and it's been holding. Went to the 50% on that fair value gap, holding it. Another fair value gap up here. Probably we if it comes there, and if it's New York session, what I would do, I would have definitely taken a trade up here, maybe on a lower time frame, much more. effective, you know. So what we can expect? Please, I'm super sleepy right now. So price swing holding this fair value gap. So maybe once I saw this, we got clean entry up here. Cute. See that? What's that? Sweep off a liquidity, right? Sweep, highest been rated, can enter somewhere around here, or else maybe 50% of this fair value gap. Hold this trade until this low. Stops about this fair value gap. Still would have been running. So model up there. But going to be bearish for the week. That's what I believe. That's what I think it would happen. So I need to create more rules. I need to be more strict to myself. I should not be skipping gyms and stuff. So 3 days I didn't go to gym because Saturday, Sunday, anyways, either of the way I cannot do anything. But Friday I could have went to gym, but I still didn't go. I was at home, just at home, and left work. That's it. That's what I did. But Friday was a perfect entry trading day. But how could I made it more satisfying is I woke up by 6 o'clock and just left the gym and came back and created that entry. That's when I would have felt more and more comfortable, comfortable maybe. But yeah, it would have been much more better. Anyways, it's all good. Um, Tomorrow, hopefully, I follow all my plans and stuff. And when I took a decision, like, I don't know what else to say, what to say that. But like, I took a word on myself. When I hit my first 10K, I'm going to shave my head off. And I'm going to continue having a buzz haircut. So, with that saying, more, uh, I'm out. Adios.